Hello everyone! Leads, you can take it from here.
Hello everyone, Leeds here. Let's not waste any time and get right into the content. Starting with social media, specifically the acronyms of their names. Let's start with the big ones. FB, Facebook, IG, Instagram, LI, LinkedIn, TW, Twitter, WAPP, WhatsApp, YT, YouTube. That goes for the acronyms, but let's dive into more detailed ones. You know, the ones that will follow you along in your professional endeavors. CMGR or CM, Community Manager, a person responsible for building and managing the online communications. CPC, Cost per click, the cost of one click that the targeted person made. CPM, Cost per mile, the cost for 1,000 views or clicks of an advertisement, post, or video. CR, Conversion rate, measures the percentage of people who have taken an action on your post or ad. An example, filling out a form, following a social account, and others. CRO, Conversion rate optimization, measures taken to improve conversions. CRM, Customer Relationship Management, an approach that allows a company to manage and analyze interactions with its customers. It uses data analysis to improve business relationships with customers themselves. CTA, Call to Action, a phrase that directs the user to partake in a specific action. CTR, Click-through rate, metric used to represent the number of times or percentage a visitor clicked on a link after being presented with the option. CX, Customer Experience. DM, Direct messages, messages that someone receives in the inbox. GA, Google Analytics. FYP, For Your Page, a hashtag that TikTok users place in their videos to prioritize and highlight their content on other users' Your Page feed. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format, short and small size scale animations and film clips. IGTV, Instagram Television, part of Instagram where you can place videos that are longer than 60 seconds. KPI, Key Performance Indicator, indicators that evaluate the success of an organization or of a particular activity in which it engages. PM, Private messages, messages that someone receives in their inbox. PPC, Pay per click, internet advertising model used to drive traffic to websites in which an advertiser pays a publisher when the ad is clicked. PV, Page views, how many visitors have landed on a given page. ROI, Return on Investment, metric used to measure the probability of gaining a return from an investment. RT, Retweet, when someone reposts, reshares your tweet. SEO, Search Engine Optimization, optimization that improves organic search engine results and increases the visibility of content on the web. SMP, Social Media Platform, online platform for interpersonal communication. SMM, Social Media Marketing, marketing used on social media platforms to connect with your audience. SMO, Social Media Optimization, creating the content to manage and grow the brand message and online presence. SOV, Share of Voice, measures the amount of exposure a company or business owns compared to its competitors. UI, User Interface, visual design of someone's presentation, visual part of a system that's been designed for end users. UGC, User-generated content blogs, videos, photos, quotes that are created by consumers. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, the global web address of website, page, or profile. UV, Unique Views, number of individual viewers of a page, image, post, or video. WOM, Word of Mouth, a marketing method that relies on casual social interactions to promote a product. That goes for the acronyms, but let's get a bit specific. these are some of the terms that you will likely bump into. Algorithm. Set of numerous formulas developed for a computer, app, or program to perform a certain function. Avatar. An image or username that represents one person online. Analytics. Data that helps you track the performance of your social media content. Bitmoji. An avatar or emoji that users can create to look like them. Bio. Short biography. Blog. A shortened version of weblog represents an online journal or informational website. Chat. Any kind of communication over the internet, mostly text messages. Clickbait. Term that describes marketing words or materials that employ a sensationalized headline in order to attract clicks. Conversion. When a visitor to your social media completes the desired goal, an example, filling out a form or making a purchase. Cyberbullying. Bullying on the internet. Ebook. An electronic version of a book. Emoji. Ideograms, images, and smileys that can be sent in online communication. Endorsement. An instance in which another user recognizes the skills that you have listed on your profile. Engagement rate. A metric that tracks how actively involved with your content your audience is. The number of different interactions. Flash mob. When a large group of people who suddenly assemble in public perform an unusual and pointless act, then quickly disperse. Follower. A person who subscribed to someone's account or profile in order to receive news, updates, etc. Geotag. Coordinates that can be attached to a message, photo, online content of any kind. Hashtag. A tag to categorize word, phrase, or information to make it easily searchable for users. Impression. Metric that measures how often your posts or ads were on screen for your target audience. Insights. Valuable analytics about profile or page. Like. A fondness for something or someone, in this case, the content that's presented. Meme. Photo, video, image, idea, or behavior that becomes a funny repetitive joke and spreads by many means of imitation from person to person. Mention. A mention is a term used to describe an instance in which a user includes someone else's username in their tweet to attribute a piece of content or start a discussion. Native advertising, when ads look less like ads and more like a part of a conversation. Newsfeed, a feed full of news and posts on Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Permalink. A permalink is an address or URL of a particular post within a blog or website that remains indefinitely unchanged. Podcast. Series of audio and video materials released episodically, usually in a form of interview or talk chat. Real-time marketing. Creating a marketing strategy focused on up-to-date events. Remarketing. A way to connect with people who previously interacted with your website or mobile app. Retargeting is a technique that reminds your platform visitors of your products and services after they leave your website without buying. Search engine marketing, method of advertising on the internet that involves purchasing ads on search engines in order to increase website traffic. Share, distributing content with others who are interested. Social media monitoring, monitoring and responding to mentions, texts, posts related to a business that occurs in social media. Storytelling, the activity of sharing, telling stories, the process of using facts and narratives to present something to your audience. Subscriber, a person or a company that subscribes to a stream of content that they're interested in. Tag, creating tag through a link back to the profile person shown in a picture. Timeline, a feed full of news that is chronologically sorted. Thread, a series of connected comments discussion posted on social media. Trending topic, the most talked about topic or hashtag on some social media. Troll, a person who's creating controversy and deliberately gets on people's nerves. Viral, an instance, a moment in which a piece of content achieves huge and noteworthy success and awareness. Vlog, video log is a video that tells a story report in a lightly free video form. Webinar, an online seminar. Hope this helped you to brush up your online communication skills and prepared you for expressing yourself in a whole new language, the language of social media. Well, that's all for me in this video tutorial. See you in the next one.
Thank you, Leeds. You've been very helpful.